This time on the slow train.
Hit the fucking wall or something. I might have to take the train back home tomorrow. He gave me 1,000 yen, I don't know why. One of the most awesome views I've ever seen. Experiencing troubles with birdship. I'm on the first major climb of the Shimanami Kaido, and I'm doing it on a fixed gear. When you got luggage strapped to the back, it's a lot harder. I got a day's clothes, some water, a few snacks, like the bike bag you have to put it in to go on the train. Man, I think there's like, I don't know, hasn't said in a while, probably like 65 more kilometers till we get to Shikoku. Jesus. We're back on another climb. Just ate a couple onigiri, so hopefully that'll fuel my legs. Having a good time though. I think I got maybe 50 more kilometers to go. Yeah, making our way. This is what it's all about. What bridge is this? Couldn't tell ya, but we're doing it. Dude, are you kidding me? Is this Japan? Where am I? This is incredible. I'm gonna say it. Hiroshima is the best prefecture in Japan. Yep, no doubt. So we stumbled across this place, Sunset Beach. Pretty fucking nice, if I do say. Sunset Beach, baby, Hiroshima. If you're ever in the area, stop by. So we've reached the roaring dragon of Tatara Bridge, Tatara Nakiru. Just made it. And it says, let's try to clap your hands here, then strange things will happen. Oh! Sweet ass echo. Oh yeah. Ehime Prefecture, famous for, oh shit, I went the wrong way. Famous for oranges and, I don't know, being the closest prefecture of Shikoku to the mainland, maybe, from some points. Welcome to Ehime, baby. It's beautiful. Can't wait to see what it has in store. We made it here to the Setouchi Cyclist Sanctuary, expressing the friendship between Taiwan and here. As you can see, it's exceptionally beautiful. Have a stone monument to commemorate the friendship. Over there it says Cyclist Seichi, Cyclist Sanctuary, Holy Land. So you can say we've made it to the Holy Land, huh? I definitely believe it. You know, I think I've really started to appreciate the simplicity of only having one gear. As you get to a hill, you don't have to worry about if you're cross-chaining, if you're in the right ratio, whatever, all that garbage. You just push harder, pedal faster to go faster. That's all there is to it. We got about 20 more kilometers, I think. We're on the home stretch. It's only 3:22, so we're gonna get there before it gets dark. That's fantastic. Find a place to stay. I'm trying to find an onsen to rest my weary bones, but so far hasn't been, you know, exceedingly difficult. It's been exceedingly beautiful, that's for sure. I think we're making good progress on the old Ride the Shimanami Kaido on a fixed gear campaign. This is turning out to be a good one. I don't know if you can see, on that little island there's a little house. I don't know what's going on there. Maybe Master Roshi lives there or something. I wish I was good at swimming so I could go check that out. You know how I said I was feeling good and this is going well? Yeah, that was like 10 kilometers ago. This last 10 hit the fucking wall or something. This has been fucking brutal. I got like 10 more to go. Oh man, might have to take the train back home tomorrow. Jesus Christ. I'm getting passed up by guys on bikes that have gears. Fucking brutal, man. Jesus Christ. But hey, at least this This view is fucking crazy. Okay, so we're in Imabari. We made it to the famous Toribayashi. Well, based on the fact that it says yakitori. We're gonna eat some good food because I'm really hungry. Looking forward to that. Just had the best experience inside the yakitori place. There was a drunk guy with a really thick Ehime accent, and I couldn't understand a word of what he was saying, but he kept looking over at me and said, "Good." Then he gave me 1,000 yen. I don't know why, but that got to go towards my bill. It was awesome. I ate so much. And then I met this really cool lady who was doing the henro, and she spoke like perfect English, like the best English I've heard in Japan. So that was like a nice surprise. You got to rest the brain a little. Now we're at, what's this place called? Kisuke no Yu Onsen, and I should be able to stay here tonight. Really looking forward to that because I'm really tired. My legs barely work anymore. So I'm gonna go take a nice dip, settle down and read a little. Yep, it's been a good day. We made it. We're in the pod now. You gotta be really quiet. They're really strict about that. So I'm gonna whisper. But the onsen was really nice. After biking for so long. You wanna see the pod? They give you like these pajamas. Normally they're a little better than this. This one's like made out of polyester. They're gonna take it off in a minute. They make you put it on to go upstairs to the sleeping room. I was like, where are the stairs? And she's like, over there, but you can go up after you put on the clothes we gave you. I was like, oh, gotta put on these clothes. Okay, got it. Oh yeah, about that drunk guy at the yakitori place. Man, I wish I was filming that, but I'm still, don't feel comfortable filming in public places, but maybe once I become a pro vlogger, I'll learn to deal with that uncomfortable feeling. But for now, I don't know, it just feels so weird, man. But maybe it's just something you get used to, because I see people doing it all the time. That's it for today. The plan for tomorrow is to wake up and go explore Imabari a little bit. Explore that a little in the morning. And then, you know, originally I was planning to bike back the whole way again to Onomichi, but I don't think I'll be doing that. It was pretty brutal the last 20 kilometers on the fixed gear today. So, I don't know. I then take the train home and back to Okayama. See you then. It's a beautiful morning here in Imabari. We're headed to a shrine right now. Go check that out. It's pretty early still. It's like 7. So there's not much open. There's a castle here that I want to go to, and then I'll probably head home. It rained last night. It's pretty rare for this season, I guess. Yeah, we'll see what there is to see. Stumbled upon a shrine here in the little neighborhood. It's called Oyamazumi Jinja, and it's said to worship the lightning god. Tucked away here in the little bamboo forest, up those stairs. Nice little hidden spot. These spots are all over the place in Japan. So if you have a destination to get going to, but you still want to stop off at these little side quests, then make sure to give yourself plenty of leeway. On the way to Imabari Castle, we come across this lovely little tree-lined boulevard. Reminds me of Davis, where I went to college. A little taste of home here in Imabari, Ehime, Japan. We're coming across the first view of Imabari Castle. You can see the very impressive moat. This was built in the early 1600s when firearms were first proliferating in conventional warfare in Japan, and as a result they built the moat to be extra wide as to defend against the new firearms. Seriously impressive moat. Very, very beautiful scenery here. If you find yourself in Imabari, definitely recommend checking this out. It doesn't open till 9 and it's around 8:30 right now. So we're gonna just circle the perimeter for a little while and then we'll go check out the inside. Built in 1602 by master castle builder Todo Takatora, Imabari Castle is considered one of the great 3 water castles in Japan, and as you can see, it's certainly deserving of the title. It's called one of the water castles because of the spectacular moat outside where the water level actually changes with the tides, so sometimes you can see saltwater fish as well as freshwater fish all swimming in there. Now that we're here, we're gonna go take a look inside and see what there is to see. We're here on the observation tower of Imabari Castle. It's absolutely spectacular. I'm actually not allowed to film the inside of the castle, so that's why you didn't see any of that, but I'll put up some footage of the view from up here, because wow, this is one of the most awesome views I've ever seen. It's honestly crazy to think that yesterday I was riding across that bridge, suffering, hitting the wall. Now I'm up here looking out at it. If you ever get the chance, Imabari, really, really beautiful place. Definitely come check it out. It looks like it's time to say goodbye to our friend Imabari Castle. Thank you for the cool views, the cool samurai armor, the cool weapons, and everything else you had to offer. I think now it's time that we hit the road and make our way back to Imabari Station so I can go home. I just overheard a guy saying, "Hey, isn't that the foreigner we saw at the yakitori place last night?" Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. got the bike packed up. Now it's just time to head in, get a ticket, wait for the train, and head home. Here on the platform, my bike here, and we got about 35 minutes until the train comes, and then we're on our way home, straight back to Okayama, baby. I'd call it a successful Shimanami Kaido fixed gear campaign. 鳥の走行外で困ってます。雨は与えないでください。Experiencing troubles with bird shit pollution, so please don't give them food.
ドア横の通路にドアをお開けください。